As long as Bitcoin and Ethereum remain strong, and August will be an interesting month for cryptocurrency. I believe August will be a volatile month, and a lot has changed in the last few weeks. Many cryptocurrency investors believe that we are currently in a bull trap characterized by fear, capitulation, and despair. It's more likely that we're in a bear trap where media attention, enthusiasm, greed, delusion, and new paradigm euphoria are what's to come. When you make your own decisions, you'll have to decide whether you believe we're correct here or not. Hello, crypto fanatics. Welcome back to Crypto Maways, your everyday crypto companion. If you're interested in investments and other cryptocurrencies, this is the place to be. Please like and subscribe so that we can keep you informed of the latest crypto news. Let's get this video started. Bitcoin and Ethereum are gaining tremendous popularity. The Bitcoin death cross took place in late June 2021. So, over a month ago, Bitcoin had a death cross, which means that the price isn't likely to rise anytime soon, which it didn't, but since then, Bitcoin has enjoyed such a recovery that the two death cross EMAs have begun to flick upwards. If Bitcoin maintains or even rises above these highs, a new golden cross could form in less than a month. If you know what a golden cross is, you know that it occurs in any asset class and is extremely bullish. Bitcoin, the crypto coal, begins the month's coin list by mentioning the name of the crypto market's king, Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin is gaining strength in a variety of ways. According to the trader, the amount of Bitcoin held on exchanges has dropped to its lowest level in nearly 8 months. People are withdrawing Bitcoin from exchanges, which indicates that Bitcoin is experiencing a supply crunch, as you may have noticed. You love it when the supply runs out and the price rises, because the price has nowhere to go but up given enough time to rise even further. Because of the Bitcoin stable coin supply ratio, there is still a lot of money sitting on the sidelines in stable coins. We know that capital is only now beginning to flow back into the market. The current wave of BTC supply shock is gaining traction. Consider this a visual representation of the market's underlying supply shock, or lack thereof. The last time we went from full reset to buy signal was in September, though this current move is much more aggressive. The analyst adds that after 7 consecutive green candles, BTC could very well consolidate in the upper half of this range 46.5k-50k for a little while. But once it closes above 50k, BTC will begin its rally. Will Clementi wrote on Twitter, "This current wave of BTC supply shock is gaining momentum. Consider this a visual representation of the market's underlying supply shock, or lack thereof. The last time we went from full reset to buy signal was in September, though this move is much more aggressive." Ethereum, Ethereum on exchanges has dropped from 30 million to 20 million in the past year. Ethereum is the next crypto asset, ETH. Similar to Bitcoin, the supply of ETH on exchanges has dropped dramatically in the last year, from 30 million to 20 million. Furthermore, the crypto coal highlights another Ethereum milestone in which it surpasses 20,000 validators and has over $14 billion stacked in ETH. More importantly, Coca-Cola has announced that it will be bringing the first NFTs to the Ethereum metaverse. On July 30th, Coca-Cola will release its first NFT collectibles to commemorate International Friendship Day. Inspired by video game loot boxes, the NFT pack will include a friendship box containing 4 one-of-one NFT collectibles, as well as additional surprises that will be revealed only when the box is opened. Uniswap, Uniswap's growth pushes DeFi to 3 million total user. Uniswap is the next altcoin. As the number of DeFi users approaches 3 million, a breakdown of the sector's growth reveals that the key driver was the decentralized exchange Uniswap, Uni. According to the trader, Uniswap clearly leads the pack in terms of DeFi growth, hosting more than 80% of all DeFi users. And it has a market share of 63.8% of all DEX platforms. 4 key protocols have been driving this growth. Uniswap, 2.5 million users, Compound, 326,487 users, 1inch Exchange, 276,254 users, and SushiSwap, 198,618, are among them. Still, Uniswap clearly leads the pack, hosting more than 80% of all DeFi users. Elrond, EGLD, Elrond is the 4th altcoin to be featured in August. The project is planning to launch its own DEX Maiar, and the latest version has just been made available on the DevNet. The launch is expected to introduce new features to the ecosystem, such as wrapped EGLD abstraction, batch transactions, reinvest, and consolidate features. By batch signing multiple transactions, you can accomplish more with fewer interactions. For example, providing liquidity requires 4 transactions: wrapping EGLD into the smart contract, sending the first token, sending the second token, and claiming the LP NFT all at once. Once MyR development is complete, the crypto coal predicts that the network will attract significant liquidity and lock in more circulating supply, as well as significantly accelerate startup iteration cycles within the Elrond ecosystem, providing immediate liquidity for new projects and plenty of opportunities for community members. If the MyR DEX features as expected, it will unlock a new set of economic forces within the Elrond ecosystem. What kind of forces are these? It will appear that a new staking force is attracting significant liquidity and locking in more circulating supply. It will create a new token for the ecosystem and community, creating a new opportunity to be a part of the MyR DEX ecosystem and its governance, and it will attract even more liquidity from other ecosystems. It will significantly shorten the startup iteration cycles within the Elrond ecosystem, providing immediate liquidity for new projects and numerous opportunities for community members. We're already halfway through 2021, and Elrond's progress has been remarkable. 680,000 addresses and 450,000 MyR users have 60.3% staked and tools are ready. This year is all about Elrond MyR decentralized exchange NFTs and launchpads, but in order for them to be meaningful and long-lasting, they must be built with great care and attention to detail. At the end of the day, the goal of Elrond is to create a high-bandwidth, low-latency, transparent financial system that anyone, anywhere can easily access. And the MyR DEX is a key component of that. This is why we're here, and why we're putting in so much effort. Cardano, ADA. Cardano is the last on the list, ADA. According to the crypto strategist, Cardano must overcome a massive supply barrier in order to realize its upside potential. Cardano must break crucial resistance to head to $3. Cardano has broken out of a consolidation pattern, but the volume required for a trend reversal is lacking. The $1.33 resistance zone has kept ADA from reaching its full upside potential. According to the analyst, a surge in buying pressure that allows Cardano to break through $1.33 may be all that is required for prices to rise toward the $1.91 target presented by the descending triangle. Buy orders need to increase at the current levels for ADA to target higher highs and avoid a steep correction. According to Into the Blocks out of the money around price, IOMAP model, 250,530 addresses have previously purchased over 4.34 billion ADA between $1.30 and $1.35. Holders in this price range may be attempting to break even on their underwater positions, causing the asset to lag. As the IOMAP model shows no other significant supply wall ahead, a surge in buying pressure that allows Cardano to move past $1.33 may be all that is required for prices to rise toward the $1.91 target presented by the descending triangle. Transaction history, on the other hand, shows that the most critical support level beneath Cardano is between $1.06 and $1.21. In this case, 243,700 addresses purchased 3.35 billion ADA. According to the IOMAP model, the next support level is at 35 cents, so this demand barrier must hold in the event of a sell-off. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you find it informative. Let me know which coins you're positive on in August in the comment section below. If you're new, you can also click the like and subscribe buttons, which are both completely free. Thanks for watching.